Many people are way too frustrated with their broken Windows computers to actually use them, so they want to use them for something else. First of all, you could use it as a doorstop.
FBI, open up!
You can use your broken Windows computer as a shooting target while wearing socks and sandals. This is also what you do when you get mad at your computer. You can use the computer as a paperweight to ironically hold down your broken Windows user manuals. You can use a broken Windows computer as a frying pan. All you have to do is open up an intensive program and the computer will overheat, therefore cooking the food. Alternatively, you can use the broken Windows computer to make popsicles because of how much it freezes. Who needs a club when you've got a broken Windows computer? How about using it as a golf tee? And finally, golf ball.